What's up guys, today we are going to work on loops and Python problem. So the task provided stub reads an integer from standard input for all non-negative integers. So this is I, n is greater than I. So here we have to list the non-negative that are less than or equal to 3, and then I think the problem here, what we are trying to do is we want to first print it. I think let's just print for num in range n, and I'm gonna print the loop first. This is the first step. I think I'll show you guys the second one. Let's just run the code just to see what it's really doing. So this is our output, but the expected output is here. Like you see, it's we have to multiply by like each number, like 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 is like 16, 4 times 4, 3 times 3, 2 times 2. I think that's what we are not doing. In order to do that, we just can simply just do like this. So it's gonna print 4 by 4, whatever the value is gonna go 4 to the power 2. I think that's what this is what this code is doing, times 2. Let's just run it again just to see. So see, now it's like printing so that's what it's doing. This is the shorthand for Python. Let's submit our code just to see the test cases are passing. Yep, so there are 2 test cases, they are both of them passed. Congratulations. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video.